Hey everyone, it's Mari Clark here. Thanks so much for stopping by my channel. I wanted to share with you the March main kit for my creative scrapbook kit club. This kit is absolutely stunning. I'm so in love with it, and I just wanted to pop on here today and share this kit with you just so that you can see what's in the kit, and I can't wait to start creating with it. It's just gorgeous. There's so many of the new products in this from recent releases, and I want to share what we have. So I'm going to start off here. This first paper is from Paige Evans Pink Paisley Bloom Street. This is page 18, and this is absolutely beautiful. The color palette in this collection is so pretty. So this is kind of like a paisley pattern here, like you can see, with little tiny florals. It's all in different tones of pink, and there's purple and yellow, and it's just really, really pretty. The other side of that one is kind of a white wonky line with a little dot, and it's just a really, really pale pink. So this would be really nice for a background, just a really pretty sheet. And it's also got a really great full length manufacturer strip on it there as well. So that's really lovely. I like that. The next one is Bloom Street number 16. It's all these pastel umbrellas. The color palette in this collection is just a dream. It's so pretty. I think you are going to just absolutely love this kit. But look at all the beautiful colors of these umbrellas. It's just so pretty. The tones of pink and purple and aqua, yellows and greens. It's like a little pastel rainbow of beautiful colors. I love it. And on the back, this beautiful stripe, which is also gorgeous. Really love that as well. So I'm just loving these Paige Evans Bloom Street papers. They're so gorgeous. This one is just an amazing paper. This is Bloom Street number 13. And I love anything like this that is a cut apart, where you could, I mean, you wouldn't have to cut this apart. There's a lot of ways that you could use this as is in strips. You could use this as a background. It's fairly busy. I mean, you could cut it up into bits and use it in a background in a different way. But I think it would be kind of a cool challenge to use it as a background and see if you could sort out what you wanted to do with it. But initially, when I look at this, I immediately think, look at all of the opportunities for creating little title pieces, little phrases on your layouts and your projects, on cards. So many different opportunities with a page like this. It just gives you so many more embellishments if you wanted to use it in that way. So, and you could also cut it in strips if you wanted. Love this. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And look at this back. So good. So it spells out love. You could put a photo in this area here and then use the rest of the paper as embellishing. Gosh, this is really pretty. And I also love this manufacturer strip here too, because once again, you get more of those little phrases. So much fun, feeling fine, remember that, bluebirds sing, bloom where you're planted, and beautiful. And again, the color palette, gorgeous. This one is Bloom Street number 12. And this is just a really, really beautiful floral. So this could be fussy cut. This could be used in so many ways. Really pretty paper. Love that one. And then on the back, a green with a tiny little triangle print on it in blue and kind of a cream color. Really gorgeous. Again, a great manufacturer strip there. So pretty. Oh my gosh. This is just this rainbow of hearts, and they're kind of like little ombre hearts. They're kind of translucent. So pretty. I just love this paper. This is Bloom Street number 6. Gorgeous. And on the back, again, a tone on tone, kind of a chevron sort of type of print. Really love this. This is great. Again, these papers are so good for a background. Love, 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 love that. This, I think, is my favorite paper in the Bloom Street collection. To each his own, right? But this paper, I just looked at this the first time I saw this, and I'm like, oh my goodness, this is amazing. I love it. It's just gorgeous. So all of these pastel rainbow diamond shapes. Really cool. And on the back, a really pretty kind of a watercolor. Gorgeous. Really, really nice. So that's number 10, Bloom Street number 10. This one is Bloom Street number 5. So on this side, we've got some foliage and some floral all kind of swirling together with kind of like a really light blue background. It's really pretty. And then the florals and foliage. And on the back, a tone-on-tone pink with a little kind of a geometric pattern. Gorgeous. Love that. And this one is Bloom Street number 19, which is a diagonal plaid. I love this plaid. It's so pretty. So multiple different lines. Really gorgeous diagonal plaid with tones of blues, pinks, and teals. So pretty. Love that. Bloom Street number 19. And the back side of that one is these little raindrops. So pastel raindrops. Gorgeous. Love it. Really, really pretty. This one is Bloom Street number 23. So you've got this really pretty delicate floral on this side. And then on the back is kind of like an ombre hexagon, I think. I'm counting up the sides of the shape. But oh gosh, I love that too. Super pretty. And it's a little more subtle, right? If you wanted to use that as a background, I love that. So pretty. Oh, this is adorable. Bloom Street number 24. I love these hearts. Each one of the hearts has a little bit of red, pink, and blue, kind of a purpley blue, and then the light pink background. Super sweet. Bloom Street number 24. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. I love that. Once again, that pastel kind of rainbow effect. Just love that paper. That's so beautiful. Bloom Street 24. This one is Bloom Street 4. And I love this text paper. I am a sucker for text paper. If there's a text paper in a collection, I'm going to have it. And I love this. This is really cute. So we've got kind of some pastel rainbow words on here. Remember joy, breathe, blossom, wish, rainbows, kind, believe, refresh, fun, bliss, imagination, always, best day, ever, magic, happy sunshine, spring, flower, planted, you're planted, smiles, magic, bloom, beautiful, dream together, celebrate, laugh, I'm walking on sunshine, wonder, daydream, etc. So lots of really cool phrases there. And on the back, a tone-on-tone green print with some little leaves. Really cute. And then we have another, well, I'm just going to flip this over to the A side. This is Bloom Street 2. And this is just that gorgeous blue, dark blue purple that's in the collection with these florals. Gorgeous. So once again, if you really love florals and you want more florals, when you have a sheet like this, you can just get your little scissors out and fussy cut, and you have a zillion more little embellishments. Look at that, another beautiful watercolor on the back. I love that. Perfect for a background, layering pieces, whatever you might want. This one is a Chamel piece, and I love this paper. This is gorgeous. This is from Never Grow Up, and this one's called Flutter By, and it is just absolutely so pretty. I love the tones in this collection, the Never Grow Up collection from Chamel, and this one just screams, cut me out. It'd be really, really great to fussy cut. I really love this. So pretty. Gorgeous. And on the back, a tone-on-tone, really dark navy with a lighter leaf in there. Really pretty. And I love that manufacturer strip too. Super cute. This one is also from Bloom Street. This is paper number 17. And this is the cut apart sheet, obviously, from that collection, or one of the cut aparts. And what I really love about this is there's a variety of sizes. So there's some 2x2, there's some 4x4, whatever this size is, I want to say maybe 3.5 by 2.5 or something like that. 4 by 3. Here's a 4 by 6, 4 by 3, 4 by 3, etc. So there's a bunch of different sizes of cut apart. So if you wanted to do a mini album as part of this kit, if you wanted to do some project life, some pocket scrapbooking, if you wanted to just cut these up and use them on a card or as embellishments on scrapbooking, there's so many things that you can do with a cut apart sheet. Really, really great to have as part of a kit. And this pattern on the back is also really cool. It's a kind of a geometric pattern, wonky pattern with the different pastel tones of teal and purple. Really, really beautiful. So pretty. So that is the paper, and that is a ton of paper in the main kit. So just to kind of fan them all out for you here, you can see them all spread out, and the beautiful color palette from this kit. I'm going to attempt to do this. Don't know how it's going to work because there's a lot of paper here. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So much delicious paper in this kit. I cannot wait to get working with this. So look at that. I don't even know if I can get it all in the frame of my camera, but I'm going to move it around a little bit so that you can see it. But look, isn't that beautiful? That just says, hello, spring. What's your favorite paper? I love them all. I'm going to really try hard to flip this over. There's a paper flip, and there's the back sides. So good. So good. Love it. So that's the paper. All right. Moving on to the embellishments. This kit also comes with a full pack of the Bloom Street ephemera, which includes 40 pieces. And on the back here, you can see all of the goodies that you get in here. And I love these packs. So you get a bunch of journaling spots. Tons of those. Those are my favorites. You get a bunch of phrase pieces like live life in full bloom. This one has, it's really tiny and I can't read it, but it does have a phrase on it there. Sunshine and happiness, fresh start, beautiful, happy. There's an ampersand, some florals. So quite a few different types of die cuts in this die cut pack, which makes it really usable, right? Like there's just so much variety here. So many things you can do with this. So I love that. And all in that pastel palette. Gorgeous. Not only do you get one pack of 40 embellishments, you also get another pack of 50 embellishments. And this is from Never Grow Up from Chamel, and it's the floral ephemera pack. So you get all of these die cut florals besides, which totally coordinate with both Bloom Street and the Never Grow Up piece there, obviously. And then you also get, take a look at the cardstock stickers, you get a full pack of the Bloom Street cardstock stickers. There's 97 pieces in here, and these are a combination of matte finish and foil finish. So they're absolutely beautiful, and the foiling is kind of a silver, and I love these so much. So that pastel palette again, there's a whole bunch of stickers at the bottom with phrases. Really pretty. And then on the back, I'm just going to take this out so you can see it a little bit better. I'm probably getting a glare with my lights here. So there we go. So there's that front side again. You can see all the gorgeousness there. And then on the back, sunshine and happiness. Love this. Some little florals, a strawberry. I love that pansy. You don't often see pansies in the different collections. Hello, the sun, a tag, little hummingbird. Love that hummingbird. Little packets of seeds, super cute. A little snail, so kind of a garden theme. More little pansies, the little butterfly again, and then more phrase stickers at the bottom with that silver. So love that. I love that little ladybugs, so cute too. Big ampersand there, pieces that you can use for titles. Really gorgeous. So you get that. So look at all the embellishments. And you also get a pack of thickers. And these, I want to say might be from Chamel's collection, but I'm not 100% sure. But they are beautiful. These ones are called Doll. And they are a kind of an iridescent glitter white foam. So they're beautiful. And you get the upper and lower case, which I love. And you also get a few symbols, and you get some numbers. You also get some parentheses, some asterisks, exclamation points. So you get a massive set of thickers as well. So this is the main kit from My Creative Scrapbook for March. If you are not a subscriber, I think you should seriously consider it. Their kits are amazing and really great value. I am going to leave a link in the description box below to My Creative Scrapbook because you're going to want to check these kits out. They have, I believe, 3 kits in their subscription. You can get different types of kits. There's more than just the main kit. So make sure that you hop over there and check it all out and see what the options are. Once again, this is the main kit. Absolutely love it. I will be creating with this month so that you can gain some inspiration from the My Creative Scrapbook March kit. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you back here another time. Bye-bye.